This is Off the Cuff Cooking with Rachel
and Jodie.
Today we're making a really fun recipe, possum pie.
It's just like 4-layer delight, but as a pie. We think you'll really like it. The recipe we're using comes from the Arkansas Pie Cookbook by Kat Robinson.
You can check out Arkansas Pie online from Hoopla using your Fort Smith Public Library card.
See the link in the description to check it out.
The first thing we did was make our crust. We started with 1.5 cups of unsalted butter and we cut it into 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we stirred in 1 cup of crushed pecans. Next, Jodie and I pressed the crust into 2 pie pans. Then we baked it at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Okay, so we have our prepared crusts. They're cooled and ready for us, and now it's time to make the filling. So Jodie's going to cream together 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 cup of powdered sugar.
Okay.
Fantastic. And then it's time to add 6 ounces of whipped cream, which would be half a container of Cool Whip. So we're just gonna sort of go with it. What do you think?
I think that's good.
I think that's good. Okay, so while Jodie's working on that, let me show you how I made the whipped cream. Okay, so I'm a little bit of a whipped cream snob, and I like to make my own instead of using Cool Whip. All you need to make whipped cream at home is heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. The ratio I use is 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar to every cup of whipping cream, and to that you'll also add just a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. I have a pint of heavy whipping cream here, which is 2 cups. I'm going to pour that into my bowl, and my bowl is chilled. I just pulled it out of the freezer. When you notice that your whipped cream is just starting to get a little bit thicker but isn't quite there yet, then it's time to add your powdered sugar and your vanilla. Since I put in a whole pint of heavy whipping cream, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Being very precise about this vanilla measurement here, okay? Very good. And then we'll turn it back on. There we have it. Homemade whipped cream. Look at those soft peaks there. Doesn't that look good? Okay, that looks good.
Okay.
And now we spread it in the bottom of our pie shells. Now I'm going to make our pudding filling in this mixer. So what you're going to do is you're going to add 1 container of chocolate fudge flavored instant pudding and 1 container of just chocolate flavored instant pudding. Don't buy the cook and serve. Learn that the hard way. And then 3 cups of cold milk. Half of our pudding in each pie. Oh, look at that, how thick that is.
Okay, that's great.
Thick.
Just saying.
Okay. Now we put these in the fridge and let them sit. So now it's time to put our whipped topping on top of our pies. Let's do
I'll
that.
let you go first.
Okay.
No, I'll just go too.
Okay.
We can go at the same time.
I think we can go at the same time.
I think so.
Ta-da!
All right. Okay.
I think it's great. Thanks for watching Off the Cuff Cooking. Don't forget to check out this recipe and others in Arkansas Pie, available now on Hoopla. Tune in next time to meet Herman.